we have to find how many even integers are there between the following pairs of numbers. First, we know that an integer is even if it's twice some integer. So it will be numbers like -6, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, and this number going from -infinity to +infinity. There are even integers. And now, to find how many even integers we have between 1 and 40, we can always list them and count them, but we have formula. Because these numbers are multiples of 2, so we will use formula that when we have integers m is less than or equals n, number of multiples of k between m and n is floor of n over k minus floor of m minus 1 over k. In our first example, we have that m is equal 1, n is equal 40, k is 2. So we have this is equal. We have floor of 40 over 2 minus floor of 1 minus 1 over 2. We know that the floor of number is the largest integer, less than or equal to this number. So we have floor of 40 over 2 is 20 minus floor of will be 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have floor of 0. We have floor of integers. So floor of integers is equal to these integers. So we have 20 minus 0, so this is equal 20. This is solution to the first example. Next, this was first and the second. In the second example, we have given integers between -8 and 100. We have to find even integers between -8 and 100. So in this example, we will use the same formula, and now m is equal -8, n is equal 100, and we have even integers. So k is equal 2. So we have floor of n over k, so we have 100 over 2 minus floor of m is -8 minus 1 over 2. So this is equal floor of 50. 100 over 2 is 50 minus floor of -8, -1 is -9 over 2 is -4.5. So this is equal. Now let me remind you, the floor of number is the integer less than or equal to this number. First we have floor of integer, so it will be the same integer, 50. And next we have floor of -4.5. This is not integer, so we have to find integer that is largest integer less than this number. So we can always draw number line, we have negative 4.5. This number is between integers negative 5 and negative 4. And now we have to choose the largest integer less than this number. So it will be negative 5. So we have minus, and in parentheses we will put negative 5. Negative and negative is positive, so we have 50 plus 5 is 55. This is solution to the second example.